Hi everybody, Ashley Haney back with another video. My eyes are watering from being a little tired, but it's Halloween. So I'm gonna do a little tutorial that's gonna be really quick. So it's gonna be a short video. So yeah. Okay, I will show you my costume fully, but right now I am going to do some makeup. So I'm going to have to sit you up here, and we are going to do some makeup.
What are we gonna do now? Because we're gonna be going.
We will. Sorry, that's my mom talking. Just the only thing I'm missing is a pink blush and some setting spray. But I'm going to use this pink XOXO lip gloss. So I'm going to put this on. Oh, it's kind of slimy a little bit. Okay, Mom found me some pink blush that I can use some of hers. So, Mom is letting me use some of her blush. I'm gonna have to get some of my own. But, here's the pink. I am not good at doing makeup. The only time I ever do makeup is only when I am costumes is the only time that I'll wear makeup. On Halloween or if I'm cosplaying, that's pretty much it. But yeah, that looks good. Alright, now I got some pink eyeshadow. Here is the pink, and this is by LA Colors. So I'm going to also probably do it under my eye too. And sorry, Mom's trying to talk to me while I'm trying to do this. I apologize. So I got, I look so weird putting makeup on myself, but you know, try to do it all the way up to my eyebrow. Oh goodness gracious. I think my allergies is starting to act up. A little bit under the eye. It makes it more pop when it's under the eye too. We will be leaving soon, so I'm trying to hurry up, but I don't want to mess up my makeup either. I was literally wearing this costume earlier today because I had a Halloween party at my day program. So this is the second time today I'm wearing it. Let's see. Alright, looks good. And then I changed into regular clothes and now I'm back into this. So, alright. Ooh, I think I dropped the lid. Okay. Now I'm going to just put this. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is also by LA Colors. This is Primsum Gel for body. So body glitter, and it's pink. Pink body glitter. So we're going to put that on the cheeks. And put it on the chin. And then the other cheek. Mix in with the blush. And then the forehead. Alright, so I think I'm actually done with makeup. Alright, I'll show you my full costume. Just hold on one sec. Okay, so this is the costume. I am Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. And I have the dress, lovely dress. And then this is a coat, small coat. Got gloves, got the ears, got choker. On the back, I do have a tail. And I got stockings. And I'm also wearing some old shoes that I found. They're just glittery pink shoes because I think they go good with the costume. So I am off now. Happy Halloween.